Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Walking Dead Telltale series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your subtitle settings. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Walking Dead Telltale series on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, just navigate into the settings page. And now you will see three different options. From here, navigate into the audio/display page. And now you can see the display subtitles option. Just set this to on if you wish to enable it. And you may also choose the size of your subtitles. This ranges from small, medium, and large. So choose your desired size. And now you can go back and your settings will be saved right away. After this, you can continue to play your game with your chosen subtitle settings. And if you need to make any changes in the future, you can follow the same steps once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the subtitle settings on the Walking Dead Telltale series. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.